Activity 1. Introduction.
Yo!
Choose your tool to clean the monster teeth. Activity 2. Sound discrimination.
Conveyor belt restaurant.
Drag the dish to match what the customers like.
Activity 3. Letter formation.
Trace the letter. Good job.
Rat.
Trace the letter. Good job.
Rat.
Activity 4. Sound isolation.
Word train.
Drag the correct letter to make the word that matches the picture.
Red. Red. Rug. Rug. Ring. Ring. Run. Run.
Activity 5. Blend and segment.
TV tap.
Tap on the TVs to uncover the sound. Choose the picture that matches the word.
Rat.
Tap on the TVs to uncover the sound. Choose the picture that matches the word.
Ram.
Tap on the TVs to uncover the sound. Choose the picture that
Rack.
Activity 6. Build the word.
Drag the fish to the boat to make the word.
Rack. Yay. 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 Rack. Rack.
Make the word.
Rat. Yay. 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 Rat. Rat.
Make the word.
Ran. Yay. Yay. Yay.
Ran. Ran.
Make the word.
Ram. Ra.
Yay!
Ah.
Yay! Yay!
Ra. Ah. Ram. Ram.
Activity 7. Learn sight words.
Firefighter. Tap and hold the fire.
Do. 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 Do.
Tap and
On. 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 On.
Well done.
Activity 8. Learn vocabulary.
choose 2 pictures that match. Ring, rug. Ring, ring. Ring. Rose, rose. Rose. Rug, red. Red. Rug. Rug, rug. Rug. Red, red. Red.
Congratulations! You finished the lesson!